Okay, hello everyone. I want to record a video on a topic of my subject, business statistics. I am Mohammad Shuaib, Assistant Professor, Zakir Hussain Delhi College Evening in the Department of Commerce. I teach business statistics from so many years. Right now, I give some points on this business statistics lecture, correlation and regression. Uh, what is correlation? Now, the word correlation itself defines that co means more than one. That means the relationship between two or more variables. The relationship between two or more variables is called the correlation. But correlation tells about only two things. The first, the degree of relationship between the two variables. That means degree means to what extent the two variables are related to each other. And the second is the direction of relationship. Direction means what direction? That means the positive relationship or the negative relationship. Positive relationship means both variables go in the same direction, whether it's increasing or decreasing. So this is the direction of relationship. So correlation tells only two things: the degree of relationship and the direction of relationship. But sometimes sometimes some statistician refers that correlation is a nonsense device. Why nonsense? So they say that any two variables, they are illogical. That means there is no relationship. That means there is no logical relationship between the two variables, but there can be a correlation between the two variables. For example, if we take one variable is the size of the feet of any size of the foot, पैर का size क्या है आपका, and the second variable is the intelligence. That means, so if we take the data about data in x variables, some data are there. That means the size of the foot of the following people. That means the size 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That means the foot size, पैरों का size जो होता है 5 नंबर, 6 नंबर, 7 नंबर, 8 नंबर तक. And the second, the y variable, we take the intelligence. So if we calculate the correlation between the two variables, so there is a relationship, but this relationship is not logical. So how can we say that? Can we say that more the size of the foot and the more the intelligence of the person? No. Or vice versa, the lower smaller the size of the foot and higher the intelligence? No. There is no logical relationship. So that's why the correlation is a nonsense device. It has no mind, it has no logic. So that's why we call. So that's why correlation does not tell about cause and effect relationship. Because we know that all of you, we know that in economics that the price and the demand are the cause and effect relationship. That means price is the cause and the effect is on the demand. So when we increase or decrease the price, the quantity demanded changes according to that increase or decrease. But in correlation, there is no logical relationship. Now, but in regression analysis, there is a relationship between the two variables, independent and dependent. Now we can say that in regression analysis, there is a logical relationship. On the basis of, we can estimate the value of y on the basis of x, and we can estimate the value of x on the basis of y. So this is the logical relationship. So that's why regression is a logical relationship. It tells about the cause and effect relationship, which is the cause and which is the effect. Thank you very much.